Hi everyone, Judy here from Judy's Handmade Creation. Time for hashtag card making me with Friday. This is a weekly card making collab. Anyone can participate who likes to make cards. This is hosted by me. I hope you join in and make a card. You can create any style of card you want. You can use die cuts, you can draw it, you can paint it, water paint, any kind of card that you like. If you join in, please use hashtag card making with me Friday. I will be able to find your card easily with that hashtag. My card today is a Christmas in July card. And this is the card that I made. And it says, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. And this is the card that I made for hashtag card making with me Friday. And that's the inside. And this is the back. This here was done with my little handheld printer here. I use this little printer a lot. It's the WRMK printmaker printer. It's one that you hold in your hand and you can do anything like on your papers. It pops out of here. And my husband had purchased this for me. And I always keep it in here. That's how I put this on here. And then this was done with this stamp here was done with this here that I got from Michael's. It's a Michael brand, and it comes with all these little sentiments in there. I use this a lot. That's all the sentiments that come in here with it. And which one did I use? Oh, I used this one, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. That's the one that I use. And I know I show this a lot on here because I do use this a lot. It's got a lot of ones for different holidays. And it comes with this here, and it comes with these here. This is how I stamped that and the Merry Christmas, and then I took my scissors and fussy cut it out. So I used this one here. And then this came with letters. And this was a 112 piece clear stamp. And I got it from Michael's. I got it when it was marked down to like $3. I think they discontinued them. I don't know what they did. They didn't have them in my store anymore. They might have them in yours, but this is a 112 piece clear stamp. And that's how I stamped this here. And the paper that I used here and here was the scrap pack that I got from Walmart. And this has a lot of, I showed this before on a video here. And this back here that I put behind the matted, that's a piece of this here behind there. And then the other piece of paper looks like a cloth piece. It was this in here, the one that that's this piece. That's the one that looks like, some of these look like a piece of fabric, but it's really not. It's like, it's a paper. It's got a lot of texture to it. And I got this I got it at Walmart. It was $2.99. Now I think it's $3 and something. The price went up. And that's how I punch needle on this. That's how I did that. This was done with, I'll show you what that was done with. Sorry for the rattling. And the base of the paper, the card base, this here, this is this kind of paper here that I got. It's the craft cardstock paper, and I got that from Michael's. That's the brown piece. And the stitching was done with the Stitch Happy pin. That's what that was done with. It was done with the Stitch Happy pin. That's this here. This is a punch needle kit. It's just like a regular punch needle that you would punch through fabric, but this punches through paper. And you could probably use this to punch through fabric too. And my husband and daughter got this for me for Christmas. And that's how I put the, I guess that's a swan, right? The swan on here. I punched needle that through there. And this is like any other punch needle. If you take and pull the needle out of the paper, it's going to pull all your threads out. So you have to start over. And that's with cloth. If you do a regular punch needle, that's the same thing when you do it on cloth. It'll come out. I've seen a lot of people complaining that on their reviews that when they move the needle it come out, but that's how a punch needle is. It pulls out like that. If you pull the needle up too far, then it pulls the thread out of it. That's normal with a punch needle. And I'll open this and show you some of the pieces that you get in it. You get this here and that there, and you get the thread. I'll show you some of the pieces that come in there. So it's got a couple sample things on the back. And I really like this. I like it because you can punch through paper. And it does the job for me, so I have no complaints. It comes with the directions on how to do it. Comes with directions. Shows you how to set it up. And if you like to punch through paper or sew through paper, this would be perfect to get. It shows you how to thread the punch needle. And then you go, it's got the tips and tricks. And then it's got instructions on how to punch it. And that's your instruction book. And it comes with two threading needle, the needle threaders. Comes with two of those. And it comes with, what are these called? Oh, it comes with the stencils. It comes with, I don't know if you can see it. It comes with the swan one that I just used, that one there. And it comes with, this one I think says hello. Yep, that's a hello. Let me see, and it comes with a, I don't know what that one is. Oh, I guess that's a flower. And it comes with, we did the hello, we did the swan, we've seen that one. It comes with a log. And it comes with a camera that you can stitch on your card. And it comes with, this is a leaf. That's the stencils, and you can make up your own design on there when you get better at it. And it comes with, what is this called? It comes with the frame where you put your paper or your fabric in there. It says you can use it. It says it works great with paper, cardstock, fabric, and more. I never did it on fabric. This is the first time I ever used it on paper. I got one that I can use on fabric. I got this one for paper. And you put your piece of paper through there. And that's a magnet. It closes it up. Let me see if I got it. Let me get a piece of this paper. I'm not going to make it. I'm just going to show you how it goes in there. Okay, let me get a piece of paper to show you. You would take and put your piece of paper in here, and this is a magnet. It holds it where it doesn't move. And then you would take your whatever design you want it. That's like, and you would set it in there. What I do is I took a little marker and just punched all them little dots in there so I could see where to sew it. You would set that in there like that and then punch all your dots. And this is your punch needle. This is your punch needle and your thread. You would thread your thread in this little hole here. That's how you would do that. This goes down in there. You take and put you thread your needle, your thread through this inside, and it comes out here, and then you thread it down, and you thread your thread down in there. And then that's how it punches through here. And maybe I'll show you how to use this on another video. It's really easy to use it. If you like to put thread on your scrapbook pages or anything, this would be perfect to do that. But yeah, that's the way that holds it, so you can put your design in there. And I like it. I've seen a lot of bad reviews, but a lot of people don't really know how to use it. So it's just like a regular punch needle. If you use a regular punch needle and you move your needle, then it pulls all the threads out. And this is the same way. It pulls all the threads out if you move it too high up. And yeah, this was a Christmas present. And this was the first time using it. So I like it. I like it, and I know how to use it. If you like to make cards with a design, thread design on it, then this would be perfect to get. And this is the card that I made for hashtag card making with me Friday. Make sure you use that hashtag so I can find your card easier with that. And yeah, this is a nice little card with the We Are Memory Stitch Happy pen punch needle kit. And you could probably make your own heart design. You can make any kind of design you want And I really like this card. It's cute. So this is my Christmas in July card. One of them. And it says Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. So here you go. Hope you join in on the fun. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like.